Hey there, David here from Figma. In this video, we're going to explore how FigJam widgets can help increase engagement in your classroom. Now, whether you're a kindergarten teacher just trying to capture student responses in a fun way, or a high school biology teacher trying to encourage your students to snap fun selfies with their lab projects. The secret behind all of that fun interaction, well, it's FigJam widgets. But what is FigJam? FigJam is a free online whiteboard and collaboration space for educators and students. It comes packed with useful tools like the classic sticky note, markers, and diagramming shapes. But one of my absolute favorite features are the widgets. Widgets are like little interactive apps you can drop right onto the canvas or your FigJam board to help students share, reflect, and collaborate in creative ways. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 FigJam widgets that can spark student voice, crank up the collaboration, level up the fun, and seriously boost engagement in your classroom. Let's go ahead and jump in. First up is the voice memo widget. This one lets students record short audio clips directly on your FigJam board. It's great for students who prefer speaking to writing. It works great for language learners practicing pronunciation, spoken exit tickets, or quick reflections after a lesson. It also gives students who struggle with writing a different way to participate. And from the teacher side, you can now give feedback lickety-split. All you got to do is record and click, or click and record lickety-split. But that one sounds so much better. Anyways, whatever the case, this is a nugget of a widget. Have fun using it. Number 2 is the photo booth widget. This one's just plain fun, but also super effective. Students can take a quick selfie and drop it anywhere in the FigJam file. Try it at the start of the year to build community or during a project where students can document the stages of their work. You can also use it for class challenges like scavenger hunts or just adding some fun joy to the FigJam file. And in remote or hybrid settings, it helps students feel seen even if they're behind a screen. Number 3. The Simple Vote widget. This one lets students cast quick votes on the FigJam board. Add it next to sticky notes, images, or ideas, and let the class decide what to focus on. You can use it to vote on project topics, choose a class reward, or reflect on what part of the lesson resonated most. It's simple, it's fun, and it gives every student a say without really putting anybody on the spot. Students light up when they get to click to contribute. Number 4, the alignment scale widget. This thing is perfect for gauging where students fall on a spectrum. You can ask a question like, how confident do you feel about today's lesson? Or how much do you agree with this character's decision in chapter 3? Then all students have to do is hover over on the alignment scale in the area that resonates with them. It sparks amazing discussion, especially when students land in different places. And it gives quieter students a way to show how they feel without always needing to raise their hand. And number 5, the dice widget. This thing brings a little randomness and a lot of fun. Just click to roll and use it randomly to call on student groups, pick review questions, or maybe even break ties in that really exhilarating classroom game. It's small, but mighty, and it keeps students on their toes. And just when you thought we were done, here's a bonus widget. Yeah, one more. And that's the quiz widget. You can add a quick question and students can respond right in the FigJam file. It's perfect for reviews, comprehension checks, or just fun bell ringers. You can get instant feedback and it's built right into the FigJam file. No need to switch tools. You could even collaborate with your students to co-create the questions for an upcoming assessment. And there you have it. 5 FigJam widgets that can turn passive participation into active engagement. Widgets might be small, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to giving students a voice, making the learning more collaborative and visual, and adding that spark of fun that we all love to see. If you found an idea you want to try, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using FigJam widgets in your classroom. And if you're new to FigJam, remember it's totally free for educators and students. Please email us at education@figma.com or visit figma.com/education to learn more. Have fun.